In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust column width in Microsoft Excel. Adjusting column widths properly can make your spreadsheets look cleaner and ensure that all your data is easy to read. Fortunately, Excel provides a simple way to automatically resize columns to fit the content perfectly. This feature is called AutoFit, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To start, we need to select the entire worksheet. You can do this by clicking on the small triangle located in the top left corner of your sheet, right above row 1 and to the left of column A. This will highlight every cell in your spreadsheet, ensuring that any changes you make will apply to all the columns. Next, move your mouse to the line that separates column A and column B at the top of the sheet. When you position it correctly, your cursor will change to a two-sided arrow with a vertical line in the middle. This visual cue indicates that you can adjust the column width by dragging. However, instead of manually dragging the columns, we are going to use the AutoFit feature. Double-click on the line between columns A and B while your cursor shows the two-sided arrow. Instantly, Excel will automatically resize all the columns so that they perfectly match the width of the content in each column. This method is especially useful if you have columns with varying amounts of text, numbers, or dates, as it saves time and keeps your spreadsheet neat without guessing the ideal width. And that's all there is to it. With this simple technique, you can make your Excel sheets much more organized and readable. AutoFit helps prevent text from being cut off or leaving excessive empty space in cells, giving your data a polished look effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future Excel tips and tutorials. Practicing this a few times will make adjusting column widths second nature, and soon it will be a regular part of how you maintain clean and professional spreadsheets.